What's up, YouTube? Vincent B here. September 26th. Looking back at the crypto market here. Up to 136 billion, 500 million. So Bitcoin's kind of just staying steady right where it's at. And I guess that's better than going down, but really like to see it get up above that 4,000 and find support up there. Like I was showing in the chart last night, we have a lot of support there, or resistance at 4,000. So it'd be nice if it got up above that and it became support. And then I would feel a lot more confident that we're in a bull market. I've been bullish this whole time that we've been in a bear market, which has really been since the first. So yeah, hopefully it turns around here. You know, we might have a little dip back down though to maybe back down here to 34 or even 32 and really scare the crap out of everybody, and then we'll bounce back. So not a big deal, just would like things to get going here. But at least with this nice even market, the bot is able to function good. It's been I haven't really checked the profit. I just restarted it earlier. I did a restart on the computer, had to do an update, and I started mining today. It was actually really easy. I just went to a website and downloaded their miner, and it's probably not, you know, the most profitable way to do it, but it was real easy just to kind of get my foot in the door. I have a fairly newer computer. Paid under $1,000 to it with I added an SSD and some RAM, and I'm gonna make about 26 cents, 30 cents a day, something like that, mining. But that's only when I'm not using the computer because it slows it down to a crawl. But before we get into the bot, I wanted to just show you this is free Bitcoin. Well, this is one that I'm looking into. This one here is CoinPot, and it's linked to several different sites such as Bitfun, and there's actually another one too. It's called moonbit.co. But it and Bitfun are some faucets. I think these are separate faucets. This one has these different games, and you can claim free satoshis every like 15 minutes, half hour, something like that. And it's got these games, and it's kind of a nice way to kind of if you like these sort of games, to just kind of relax, get your mind off the charts, just play something simple and collect some free satoshis. It's really not much at all. I just added up my total here. It's like 16 cents, and I've been coming here for like a month, but not very often. I kind of checked it out and then forgot about it. But they have like graphs that show you how much you're making, depending on, you know, it depends on how often you log in. But my girl's always playing these kind of games on her phone. You know, whenever we're just out and she's bored, she'll be playing this game on her mobile. And I said, you know, I know a game site where you could play games and at least collect some satoshis while you're playing. You might like the games, and you could collect this money. And it's really nothing what you're collecting every day right now, but in the future, you know, there's only so many Bitcoin, and they're going to be worth a lot more. And you know, who knows, maybe my 16 cents will be worth $1.60 someday. Or maybe $16. Who knows what it's going to be worth someday? It could be worth more than that. And you know, this without me even trying, I got 16 cents. So if you really hit these all day and you hit several different faucets, it could possibly really add up. So I'm going to look into some different free sites. What I thought was really cool, and something you might not have thought of, is if you're like me, you love crypto, you think it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. It can fix a lot of the world's problems with our financial problems, banking problems. You know, wars are fought over economics a lot of times. So who knows all the problems that it could solve? Fraud, corruption. You love crypto, right? But you just can't quite get your friends and family into it. You know, they say they're going to invest, and they you know, they think that it's great, and they support you possibly, but they themselves just aren't going to get around to investing. Well, you know, especially with this game site, if they like playing games, maybe your kids like playing these kind of games, or your girlfriend, and you show them the game site, and then you know, they get to, you know, real easily just claim some satoshis here, and the next thing you know, now they're interested in the price of Bitcoin because they actually have some, you know. So it kind of gets their foot in the door, and I'm a master at these. Oops, I just messed it up. So there it is. It's that easy to claim them. And also there is a refer your friends and get 50% commission on all their faucet claims. So you get half of nothing basically, but you know, at least it's something. I forgot to actually give her my referral link when I had her sign up, and she's actually on there several times a day now collecting, and I'm like, dang, maybe I should have used my referral link, and I could be getting a little bit of this, but oh well. What's more important is I got her interested in collecting satoshis now. You know, she's on there every day, and who knows how long it'll last. She might get bored with it, but and it gives us something to talk about too, because, you know, she's like, hey, I made 100 satoshis today. How many did you make? I collected 100. So, you know, now we have something. Now we're talking about crypto. You know, before I couldn't really get her interested, but now she's interested. Now maybe I can get my son into it, and you know, then maybe we could all be talking about crypto here, which it's coming eventually. Pretty soon everybody's going to be into crypto, but this is a good gateway to get them interested, possibly. It's, you know, it's one way that, you know, maybe you didn't think of to get people interested. Man, I hope this is recording. It never seems to record right on the first try. So and here's this one's moonbit.co. I'll leave links down below. Now, something interesting when I logged on today, it was kind of weird, because I got into mining today, and then I wanted to claim my free satoshis as I was drinking my coffee, and I seen they have a mining bonus now. So you can click here, and it says this website tries to use your browser as a blockchain currency miner. It can create considerable CPU load. So we won't hit that now, but as you hit that, you'll actually see your satoshis going up here. So here's another one I can claim, and there's several of these different sites that are all linked to this CoinPot site over here, where you have Bitcoin, Doge, and Litecoin. So yeah, you can get that Doge. I don't know why I'm in such a good mood today. I don't know if it's because Bitcoin's finally looking better, or it's just a great time to be alive because of crypto, or just because life's great. I don't know. Portfolio's up, making free Bitcoin every day. I'm running these different programs that are working out great as well. Yeah, you get a bonus for coming in every day. You get, let's turn the mining off. You get a referral bonus. There's all these different offers too, where you can do like surveys. Haven't really got into that. Don't really have time to look into all this other stuff. There's all these different ways that you can make free Bitcoin. I know a lot of people complain that they don't have 2 Satoshis to rub together, and so here's a way you can get started collecting some free Bitcoin. So there's a bunch of different sites. You guys, let me know your favorite faucet sites, and I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna put together, and maybe this is something for a website that I want to design. It could be a section where we have a bunch of different faucets, and you know, if you went to a bunch of faucets, who knows how much you could claim every day. With that and mining, you could make quite a bit every day just for being on your computer and clicking a button here and there. So there's that. There's this moonbit.co, there's Bitfun, there's some other ones too, and look how fast it's already building back up. And then you can you click mining. Now I'm not sure if this Doge and Litecoin mining is working totally yet. It didn't seem like it was really working for me. Maybe it's because I was already running Bitcoin. But the other cool thing is you can run this on all your devices, you know, and I have a bunch of different devices all over the house, you know, between desktops, laptops, tablets, mobiles, you know, and usually they're all just running anyways. As I'm walking around the house, I'll flip music on here or flip a video on there, and you can have your mining running on all your different devices if you have them on anyways. And with me, I'm actually running this bot on several of my desktops, as well as staking. I'm staking Neo for the gas. I'm staking I'm still trying to get this stealth wallet to sync. Cloak, I'm looking into staking. So while these computers are on, they're staking, they're botting, they're mining, and they're all making a little bit of money. It isn't a lot, but it's, you know, it probably all adds up to at least something. You know, at least it'll for sure pay for the electric bill, and maybe buy me a coffee every day. So at least that's something, you know. Every little bit helps, and then who knows what it'll be worth in the future. So enough about that. Let's get into my other ways of making money real fast and wrap this up. Try not to make an hour-long video today. I just get so excited about this crypto. I could just talk about it all day long, and you guys are the only ones who want to listen. So let's see. BitConnect doing great. I keep transferring as quickly as I can. I have loans throughout the day, so I'm just constantly getting money into my lending wallet. Same thing with Genesis Mining. I'm getting my little bits of mining payments into my Exodus wallet throughout the day. I gotta load that back up, but it's just, you know, a couple bucks here and there. It all adds up. So I'm mining on my computers now. I got my cloud mining going. I got BitConnect making me money. Looks like I have to log back in here, but I've ROI'd with BitConnect, and I'm gonna wait till I get a little bit ahead and then take out another loan. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the money I'm making from BitConnect and putting it into my other awesome money maker right now, which is Bitpetite. And I've been watching this for a month. I said I wasn't going to do any more of these programs, but I've been watching so many people do so good with this one. I had to get in a couple weeks ago, and I wasn't going to say nothing, but I really like this program, and the more I look into it, the more legit I feel that it is. It turns out that this has been around for quite a while, and I really don't think they're going anywhere. I'm seeing them advertised all over. I'm seeing everybody using them. So I really think it's a safe bet. I got about $400 in here now. I'm still not real good with navigating the site. Like, I can't figure out where the dashboard is that shows. Here it is. Total invested $540. I'm gonna take this up to at least $1,000 with my daily BitConnect payments every day. I don't want to sell anything out of my portfolio just yet in case we have a breakout. So maybe if we do have a breakout and the bots do really good, I'll go ahead and put some more in here if I think we're going to be headed back down. But for now, I'm just going to be putting my BitConnect payments in here so that it's compounding my interest, which is a very powerful way of making money. Sure, Bitcoin might be going up 5-6% a day, but and BitConnect might only be making 1% or 1.5%, and this might be only 4.5 to 1%. But when you compound it up, it becomes a lot more than what it just says right there. It really adds up a lot. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my BitConnect into the Bitpetite. My Bitpetite wallet empties into my Bittrex account. So then I trade with that and bought with that, and then when I get an extra $1,000 up, that's going back into the BitConnect. So it's like a trifecta of crypto generation. And on top of that, I'm going to these free sites and trying to make a little bit off referring them. Possibly, we'll see. You have to get so much into your wallet before you can withdraw from the coin pot. I think it's 0.0001, so I'm about halfway there. Maybe if I can get a couple people to sign up, it will help get me there a little faster, so that I can at least withdraw something and be ahead with this program. I'll keep you updated on that though. I'll let you know how the staking works out. I fixed my Neo wallet. I actually had to install it on another computer and log in on that one, and I actually had some extra Neo in my wallet I'd forgotten about, so that's always a nice bonus. Can't get it to work on this computer. I've uninstalled it, reinstalled it. Still says version 0.03. Not a big deal. I'll run it on the other computer. It'll keep that computer from powering down, because my NiceHash miner won't. It's too old for that to run on it. So my portfolio's up, my trades are up. Let's have a look at the bot. Everything, just altcoins are really taking off right now. Everything looking great. These lines are where my stops are. Should always use stops, because if it's going to come down through your support, you could always buy them back in lower, most likely. And if you check on it on a regular basis, you can usually catch it. Check your orders, check your stops, and then buy back in lower. It's been working really good for me. Some people get mad when they get stopped out. I am grateful. SafeX got a nice big bull flag on it. So I don't know if I'm running SafeX with the bot. Maybe I should. So here's half of what I'm botting. I have the other half of my pairs on the other computer downstairs. I have it set up in the basement where it's cooler. So I have some real conservative settings. I have low, being that I'm running a lot of pairs and everything's doing good. I have my low band fairly low and my high band fairly low as well, except for ARC, because I haven't checked on it today, but it hasn't been doing great. So When it's not doing good, you want a higher high band to catch it if it's going down or not going up very much. And if it's going up a lot, you want your high band very low so that you can sell at the highest possible point. And also you want to turn your gains up. So I have my gains up a little bit. Running Bat, Cloak. Oh, looks like I made a Cloak sell. 3.5%. I'm pretty good with hitting that 3% gain. I think that that's way better than 2%. That extra percent really can add up, and then you still get fairly frequent trades. So a lot of these not doing much. Not sure if these were even, oh yeah, they're running. Must be because I have it full screen. I have it for people that said they couldn't see the settings very well. I hope it being full screen like this helps. Looks like I got a Myst trade already. Just started the bot up this morning, so I'm already getting trades. Nav? Wow. At 14% gain, I made a trade. So, you know, don't be afraid to set those gains high, especially, you know, when they take off like they are now. Think how long it would take you to get that 14% gain if you just have it at 2%. You know, you'd have to get 7 trades to get that, and you're not going to get that. You're not going to get 7 trades, because you're not going to be able to buy back in unless you set your low band really high, and then you're not going to make much of a gain off of that anyways. So I like to set my low band real low, high band real low, and gains are real high. You know, I'm not in a big hurry to try to make little bits. Certain ones I do. Ones that aren't very volatile, but are real up and down, I'll set low and high bands high and gains low, so that I have a couple that are making little bits throughout the day. So that I'm at least making something if the big ones don't hit. But a lot of them I like to keep. I'm looking for those big swings. So there's the bot. We talk about the bot settings a lot in the Discord channel. It's going to be down below. My Twitter's down there too. If you want to see, you know, what crypto videos I'm liking and sharing. I don't do a lot of tweeting. I need to get into that more. As I get better with my technical analysis and I find good trades, I need to start reminding myself to tweet them out there when I see something really good. Because I've called a couple in my videos, like Vertcoin, Zcash. I've had a couple good calls in my videos, but usually by the time you guys see them, I don't know if it's, you know, too late, or you know, if you catch it. So the other thing was the learncrypto.io. I need to get on here and finish these courses. There's just so much going on. Need to get motivated here and finish working towards my certification here. Been kind of slacking the last couple of days. Been working on some projects to make some money to pay the bills, so I don't gotta spend my crypto, because it is just way too valuable to me. But I gotta hit the books here and finish up. I only got a couple more chapters and tests here before I get my crypto certification. The price is going up on this course, and they're going to be adding a lot of stuff to it, so you can get in this course now for cheap. Sometimes they have a coupon. If you're interested, you know, maybe check with me first, and I could see if they have a coupon. Over at Crypto News is their YouTube channel, and but if you're gonna sign up with the course, anyways, please use my link so it'll help support my channel. Same thing with the Gunbot. There's a link for that below, and the free Bitcoin faucets, and I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover today. So y'all have a good one. Good luck trading. I'll be talking to you here soon. I'm out.